we have our distance in between us. So they're giving her time, giving her space to be able to execute her move. Now, when you turn to her left, you're going to turn her on her step. But if you turn to her right, you pull her into her step. So the thing is, look. See, look. So when she comes out of that, when she comes out of that 7, look, 8. She hit that 8 on the ground, I'm turning on that 1. See, look. But notice, I always step up, give myself that initial look. That step up to let I know that I'm catching her on the 1. Look. Look. So when I go to turn her right, I pull her into her, look. I'm giving her time to come up and to step back. That's why even when I'm stepping, look. Look. Turn on that 1. Look. So you want to turn her, you want to catch her, you know. See, that's one of the things with these guys on the other side. Right. Okay. So yeah, so what happens is